Hi, Scott Grove here. In this episode, I want to talk about how you trim veneer if you have to press the veneer on the top side. So let me explain what I'm talking about. So hopefully all you know that if you're pressing veneer, you want your veneer down on the platen, and then your core gets glue and that goes on top, and you're pressing nice and flat, and your overhang hangs off, no problem. And to cut that off, you would then simply, after it comes out of the vacuum press or the bag, you can certainly run your knife along there and trim your veneer flush with the edge of the core. But there are instances when you have to press the veneer on top. So how I handle that is if I press this on here and put it in a vacuum bag, the vacuum bag would bend this veneer over and it would break, and you might not get a clean edge, and or it might break into the core. So what I do is I take an additional piece of core, same thickness, and I wrap some tape on it so my glue, I'm not gluing to this, and I'll press my overhang that way, and that works really well. Keeps this nice and flat, and I get a good press. But trying to trim this, trying to go with a knife here would be kind of crazy, trying to find that seam. Usually what I'll do is I'll have this taped on just so it doesn't move. What I will do is I'll take one of these tools. This is a marking gauge. Hopefully everybody knows what this is and has one of these. It has a carbide cutter, very fine cutter here, sharp too, and you can make fine adjustments. And what I will do is line this up to the seam, and I can simply score the veneer across the top this way. And that works really, really well. Of course, this is not glued down, so let me pretend that's glued down. And I can simply score this veneer that way. Cuts the veneer, perfect with the edge. You could even leave it a little off, so if you then remove this and there's a little overhang now, you can go ahead and sand that and clean that edge up. Great way to cut this, and what's beautiful about this is it works on curved surfaces. So check that out next time. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Happy veneering.